Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert, and today it is all about fried rice. That's right, on the Blackstone. I will tell you, I dig the Blackstone. I think this is one of those awesome cooking tools to have in your backyard that does so much. Everybody thinks breakfast and smash burgers and all that, and I'm here to have a little hibachi night and teach you how to make some fried rice. Now, today, we've got a little bit of leftover pork. How that happened, I don't know, but it's here. We've got a little bit of leftover pork, so we're gonna do an amazing barbecue pork fried rice. Today's ingredients, that's right, a little bit of that leftover pork. So I made some neutral pork that really didn't have any sauce on it. Figured, heck, I'd put this in a vacuum seal and freeze it. And my cook once, eat twice got me a little bit of extra pork. We're gonna do a half of a yellow onion. We've got some stir fry vegetables here, and this is great. There's cabbage, carrots, peppers, broccoli, a really, really good selection here. Come on, sugar snap peas, doesn't get any better than that. And then right in here, we've got some of those sweet baby peppers. Now, we're gonna add a little bit of chicken stock for some of the moisture. We're gonna flavor it with Tiki Tiki, a little barbecue with our high altitude, and then we're gonna finish it with cilantro, lime, and a little bit of sweet soy sauce. But right here, you guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Basmati rice. So we steamed this up in our rice steamer. This is perfect, 3 cups of fresh steamed basmati rice. So that's it, fried rice time. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit of that canola oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and carefully add my onions. You can hear that sizzle. That means we are set and ready for some high temp cooking. Now, I'll add those peppers in there, get these guys all set out there, make sure we got them all sliced. And I'm gonna let these guys go for just a couple minutes, you guys. We'll get a little bit of color on here, then we'll come back, add our stir fry veg. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and add those stir fry veggies. Now my goal when I do stir fry, I like a crisp vegetable, so I don't want things to get away from me. So we'll let these guys go for just a couple seconds, then we're gonna come back and add everything else and get rocking and rolling. As you can see, we've now added the pork, we've added the rice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this into a flat layer because I want everything to cook kind of evenly, right? Then, once I've got that set, we'll go ahead and add our snow peas on top because we don't want to get too far ahead. We don't want the snow peas to be army green, so we'll just keep everything here kind of in a nice pile doing its thing. Now, last couple minutes of this cook process, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of chicken stock. That's gonna create steam we need, as you can hear, to heat everything up. We'll go ahead and finish it with a little bit of that sweet soy. We're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime on there. We're gonna add some of that fresh cilantro, just like that. Today's seasoning, you guys, a little bit of Tiki Tiki, just to give us a little bit of island flair. And then we're gonna sauce it right at the end. But now, check it out. I'm basically gonna fold everything over and just start getting that moisture worked into the rice. And my test for doneness is gonna be the temperature of the pork, making sure that pork is fully reheated to that 165 degrees, then making sure all my vegetables are nice and hot. After about 7 minutes, 8 minutes of total cook time, you guys, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of our high altitude barbecue sauce, just enough to add some flavor, but not to overpower it. We'll go ahead and cook that in as well. And then next up, we're gonna go ahead and get this in the bowl, in the kitchen, and we'll show you our final garnish, and then it is, quality control time. Fast and easy recipe today on the Blackstone, and I love it because we're into this fried rice in a hurry. We made the rice from scratch. You could easily buy convenience rice, and then we have the benefit of that leftover pulled pork. Now, if you have leftover pulled chicken or rotisserie chicken, that will work out just as fantastic. Now, don't forget your homework. Subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. Make sure you click on those post notifications because you don't want to miss out on any of this. And then, like we always say, be sure to leave your questions and comments below because that is what drives our content. Now, coming up at the end of today's video, we've got a couple other cool Blackstone videos for you. We have the how to season it, in case you're just watching this and you want to buy a new Blackstone. We're gonna show you how to season it. And then that first cook video with the cereal coated French toast is absolutely spectacular. Now, I've been waiting for quality control, and the question is, not sure which bowl that I want a quality control from, but final garnish, you could do a little more barbecue sauce, a little Tiki Tiki, but you are set with some seasoning fantasticness. And I'm going after this guy right here. Cheers.